Internships and co-ops can not only help you in covering your tuition expenses, but can also help you in getting a job offer after you graduate. So this video is all about how you can get internship or a co-op in your first year. Whether it is masters or bachelors, it doesn't matter. There is one rule that you need to follow. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to give you an example. The students who talk in a way that they get internships in their first year. So let's consider this example. Consider this example when a person is asked, tell me about yourself in a phone interview for an internship or co-op. Hello Mr. Johnson, this is Harnoor Singh and I am an experienced Android developer. I have 2 years of Android experience and I have published around 5 apps in the Play Store. And I also have some experience with iOS. I am currently trying to build my first app. So this is the person who will get an internship in his first year. Now consider an example who will not get an internship in his first year. Hello Mr. Johnson, this is Harnoor Singh and I am a freshman at Georgia State University. I have a GPA of 3.5 and currently I am taking so and so classes. So you saw that the second student was just talking about his courses and no experience at all. So this proves the first impression when you don't get an internship. This is the first impression that you are trying to build up when you talk to an interviewer. So the first impression is the last impression, and that's the key thing. So you have to prove maximum experience, and at the same time, to reach at the point of interview, you need extraordinary resume. Your resume should not have like that you did lots of voluntary stuff, you did lots of extracurricular stuff other than your major. It should focus more on your major than other stuff. Yeah, you can put 1 or 2 things about leadership and voluntary experience, but it should have more experience about your major. And this was an example about a computer science major. Consider another example of a business major. Hello Mr. Johnson, this is Harnoor and I have 3 years of experience in dealing with clients, and when I was in India I was working on a startup, and at the same time I had my own business, and so I have been able to treat my clients in such a way that I have more than 1,000 permanent clients. So this is another example when for a business major who is able to get an internship. At the same time, he showed lots of experience. So I'm pretty sure you were able to get the point that what you need to prove for getting an offer as an intern. So keep that in mind, and I'm pretty sure you will get your internship. So if you also want another video on how to build a great resume, please comment down below and I will definitely get back to that. So that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.